Hey everybody, today is June 11th. I'm going to do an inspection of my two beehives today. I installed nukes in each one a couple weeks ago, and I looked at them briefly once. Mostly just trying to leave them alone for a while, but I'm going to crack them open and see what's going on in there. See if they're building or whatnot. Grab my tools here. Well, they were adding some comb last time. I looked in them. I checked them about 5 days after I put them in. They weren't doing a whole lot. They had built some comb, nothing real crazy. I thought they'd be doing a little better. Hopefully my smoker can go out. Come on. Alright, there we go. Alright. It's kind of hard to record and do this with gloves on. Let's go see what we got going on over here. I could see from the other side of my fruit tree and garden area that these bees were really active. Holy smokes. The sun's hitting their hive, they're warming up. It was cold last night. Real cold. Apparently they're waking up really well. Man, hope they don't try to get me too bad. Actually, I'm kind of afraid of bees. I've never had them before, but I was interested enough in getting bees to get over my fear of them. There's nothing to really be too afraid about. They're not nearly as aggressive as hornets and stuff. So here we go. I'm gonna go around the back side here. The smoker's not lit real great. There she goes. Alright, I saw this stuff down. Boy, this is hard to do with one hand. Alright. Oh, there's the lid. And oh yeah. And there are some busy little bees. I'll smoke them so they start going back into the hive. I don't want to smash them when I put them back in. Alright. Oh my goodness. Get on down there so I can check you out. Alright. Let's see, I can see this frame I put in. I built on it. Goodness. Alright. Alright, they're building on the back side of this one. These 5 frames in the center, the dark ones, are what came with the nuke. They already had comb on them. Boy, they got everything glued together. This is not going to be a real good video, but I want to try to put something together with my bees. Oh goodness, so this is all new. On this particular frame, whoa, goodness. And that is, they did all that in the past 10 days or so. I hardly know what I'm looking at here. I'm so new to this. They're busy. They got stuff going on. There are a lot of bees in here. So that's all brand new comb that they built. On this side, they're just starting it. Just starting, okay. I really don't want to pull out frames that have all these bees on them. I can't think of a real good reason to have to get in here like that. Just want to slide them over without pinching them. And then, alright, so we just checked out the frame that they have built or filled out last week or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 came with the nuke. Move it, little guy. I just want to split your home apart so I can look at it. You don't mind, do you? Alright. Alright. Get that puller. These guys are pretty docile. Oh my goodness, so they built all this out. That's all new. On this side, not much going on. So basically they've built out one side of each of 2 frames. Try to get this back in there. Goodness. Definitely don't want to do more harm than good, because I don't really have a good reason for opening this hive other than just to look at it. Man, I wish these to get off this lid so I don't smash them when I put it back on. Alright, get this back in there. So it looks like they've built out one side of 2 different frames, so they've basically filled out one frame. Just not real impressive, but they've only had 2 weeks, so. Alright, so I guess I'll slide back in there. I open this one. Not as much going on. A lot quieter. There's some bees in the lid. Alright, so alright, once again, the dark frames are frames that came with the nuke, and let's see what they built onto. This is all stuff they built. That almost looks like an attempt at a queen cell. Not sure why they would do that. Goodness. Hopefully they even have a queen in there, because I've never actually seen them. I just bought these nukes and installed them. The count, the bee count, is definitely lower in this hive. I don't see as many bees. They're building a lot less. Building a lot less new honeycomb, or new comb, I guess you could say. There's a lot less bees in this colony. I'm sure the filming's horrible, and I really don't know what to say about what I'm seeing because I'm so new to doing this. But it is hard to record with gloves on and a bee suit on. So there's a lot of empty space here. Don't know what to think about this hive. Don't know what to think. Alright, I'll just pop this frame out. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, there's some bees. I really don't know what I'm looking at still. What is that? Is that a queen cell? Based on what I've read and stuff, that kind of fits the description of a queen cell. I don't know what that means. Like they're making another queen, or they don't have one at all, so they're making one. I probably sound like I have no idea what I'm talking about, because I don't really. That could be a good thing or a bad thing if they're making a new queen. Drop them back in there. Pry out another one. There's a bunch of bees. A lot of bees in there. So this colony's got some bee population to it. Not what the other ones got. They were hiding in the center there. And there's a bunch more. I'm not going to pull out any more frames because I feel like every time I move something around, I smash a couple of them. I'm not really about smashing my bees, if I can help it. And like I said, I'm not really in this hive looking around for any real reason. I'm just checking them out, so I don't need to be smashing stuff if I don't have to. Okay. Slide this in there, and it's tight. This over. This frame. The smaller colony is a little more aggressive than the other one. I got a couple pissed off bees buzzing around my head right now. The other one, I don't think any really came after me. Alright, so this is the piece right next to their main part of their nuke, and they're barely built anything. Looks like they're trying to start building. I gotta say, they don't have a whole lot going on here. Put this back. Close it up and wish them luck, I guess. What's this guy doing? I'm so new to this, I feel like I have no idea what I just looked at. Except this, all I could see for sure is that hive has built more new comb than this one. But no one starts out knowing everything about anything. It takes time to learn. Alright, that cover back on. Supposed to be nice and sunny today. Hope they have a good day foraging, whatever.